Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to uninstall Python from Windows operating system. So let's start with the video. First, we need to check whether Python is available on our machine or not. To confirm that thing, first we'll open the command prompt. To open the command prompt, you can type in the search box as a CMD and just hit the enter key. Command prompt will get opened. Or another way is in search box, just type command prompt. It will show the command prompt window. So just click here and command prompt will get open. Now here either we can type Python space hyphen version and just hit the enter key. Now it shows that Python 3.13.12 is available on your machine. Either you can use this command or simply you can type the Python and just hit the enter key. It shows that Python is available on your machine. Now we want to uninstall this. So open the control panel. In search box, just type control. It will show the window control panel. Once you open this control panel window, here you can see program and features option. Program and features, just click on program and features. Now here it shows the available apps on your machine. So from here we want to delete the Python. So here it shows the Python 3.13.12. Okay, or within search box also you can type the name of your app. So here I have typed Python, so it shows me the available Pythons. So here this Python 3.13.12 it is showing. So just click. Now this it will show the option as a uninstall. So just click on this uninstall button. So it will start uninstalling the Python. So you have to wait for a minute. Now it is showing the message uninstall was successful. Now just close this window. Now we'll delete this Python launcher also. Just click on Python launcher and click on uninstall button. Just click on yes. So this Python launcher also uninstall. So just close this window. So in this way Python is uninstalled. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, please comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.